Oh, howdy campers. We're working on some camp food or some lazy around the house food. I heated me up a can of Wolf's chili. Yum. But I thought, that's not quite enough. Let's do something a little extra. Baha. This is a monologue, not a dialogue. So, we've got a package of Ready Pasta. If you're cooking it on your camp stove, excuse me, I have a whiny dog. You just dump it in with the chili and cook it together, and it takes no time. These microwave things are the rice, the pasta, any of the other beans. It's all cooked already, so it just needs heated up. In my case, I'm at the house, so I use the microwave. 60 seconds, it's done. Now we're gonna plop it in here with the chili and mix it together really good. Started to get out a can of saltines and use with the chili just for a quick lunch. And I realized I've been saving these things to experiment with, so let's experiment. And by gosh, we got what I hope is a successful result. Pasta and chili. Tastes just like chili with pasta. Canned chili. And ready pasta. Baha. Sorry, she's getting a little indignant because I won't throw the ball. The chili's okay. That's the big taste test variable. Pasta's pasta, pretty much. Anyway, yeah, if you've been hiking, I know the different brands come with chili in packages like this. So instead of a heavy can, have a pack of this and a pack of chili and mix it together. And probably a heck of a lot cheaper than the packaged freeze-dried meals. I do really like Mountain House biscuits and gravy, and but yeah, even if you're just camping and want to throw something together for lunch, car camping, bike camping. In my case, I'll be bike camping in a few days. Especially for hikers, it's lots of calories, lots of carbs, a lot of protein, so you'll really be getting your energy boost. Anyway, that's it. Pasta and chili in just a couple minutes. So, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day and a great apocalypse. And we'll see you next time. Bye!